Choosing the right thickness will depend on your vehicle's requirements and the look you are aiming for. Thinner spacers push the wheels out further, offering a more aggressive stance and better cornering performance due to the wider track.
Ford Mustang wheel spacer size really depends on your favorites. Perfect size Ford Mustang wheel spacers make your car look incredibly nice and keep you safe on the road. 1-inch spacers are one of the most popular options. Choosing a proper set of Ford Mustang wheel spacers is good to prevent any damage to your vehicle's wheel, steering, or body components.
Bonus
Ford Mustang wheel spacers
are designed with better multi-stage half-century rings. The multi-layer design provides the ability to fit the corresponding half spacers. This eliminates any potential gap, ensuring a perfect installation. As a reliable, precise half-century spacers manufacturer, Bonus is always maintaining the highest quality and best fitment. For connecting parts, the higher the precision, the better the performance. The amount of tolerance reflects the precision. Bonus half-century spacers are CNC machined. Precision at 0.02mm tolerance. This eliminates any potential gaps, ensuring a perfect installation.
Pushing your wheels outward also increases the track of your vehicle, hence strengthening the grip and the resistance to rollover. For the outlook, the wheels flush the fender, making your Mustang more aggressive and sporty.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about the bonus wheel spacers, please leave a comment. See you in the next time. Bye-bye.